I got it by myself, didn't need no handouts. I got it back on the road again. We gonna go far in life, ball till we fall, yeah. We gonna go all out, I'm always in the studio, working daily, tryna make that check, then cash it all out. Get some more stacks to cash out, I'ma be a millionaire one day. I'ma keep going with the grind while stacking the bands all the way up to the roof, ayy, yeah. Stacking it all the way up till they falling over. I'm in the hills grinding, blowing up slowly, just give me a few more years. I will be up there one day, making all the bank, yeah. Go all out, I'ma never fall out. I'ma be one of them, just fall out. I'ma ball out daily, in and out, swerving lanes with the Hennessy on my breath, yeah. I got it by myself, didn't need nobody helping me on the way up. Can you taste the fame nowadays? No boy you can't, cause you ain't putting your mind to your goals and ball all out daily. Yeah, I'm working hard every day, I'ma get this lick up, get these diamond chains on my neck, yeah. I'ma be so icy that I can't keep these bands in my pocket nowadays. Go through the roof, struggle every day, I'ma get through this by my own. I put my mind to this grind, yeah. I ain't ever gonna fall out or run out of bands. Yeah, working hard, staying up all night, working hard on my music while I put my feelings, emotions, and time into it. Yeah, I'ma be a millionaire one day, I'ma get it with that Bentley, yeah. Blacked out sitting on 24s, yeah, with a big ass rims spinning, yeah. I'ma be so golden with the money, yeah. Nobody can touch me, cause I got that bulletproof vest on nowadays. I ain't ever scared to walk out in public, cause I know I'm filthy rich with the bodyguards on the side. Yeah, I work hard daily for the money well spent. I'ma get it all the way up, I'ma fall out with all these bands in my room. Yeah, with all these bands in my pocket, I might fall over. Just put your mind to it, you gonna get them bands. Ayy, yeah, ooh, ooh.